Hey, it's Rob, and I realized I didn't record much during week 5 and absolutely nothing for week 6. So I'm dropping in from the future to give you more info on what happened. Um, the Mod 2 Code Challenge. So that, for me, it resembled the Mod 1 Code Challenge a lot. The core of it was understanding associations and how to pull it off in Rails. If you're able to do that, then you just coast through the code challenge. Because for me, I finished in 45 minutes. We had up to an hour and a half to do it, and I ended up just working on extra features that weren't required, just because I had the time. So yeah, just make sure you know how to do all the stuff that you were able to do in Mod 1 with Active Record, but with the tools that Ruby Rails provides you.
We start JavaScript today, and it's not so bad. It's just switching the syntax up. So I'm not too worried, and we'll start lecture today, so I'll see if it gets any harder or not, and then I'll report back.
Okay, so this morning I lied. JavaScript is hard. What the heck is a callback function? And mix that with scope, and it just induces a headache. So I'm gonna need more practice with that. Hey, it's Rob, and I wanted to say this week it took me 4 whole days to finally admit to myself that I don't know what I'm doing, and we're now in JavaScript land, and I need to have the mentality of a beginner all over again. And I did have a mini panic attack today. I was trying to make some code work, but couldn't make any sense out of it until and that it was. I mean, I made it work eventually, but it took me way longer than it should have, and that only came with the help of another classmate. Thank you, Terrence, if you're watching. And what happened was I went to the mod ahead of us and asked for like a little help on everything that's going on, from query selector to callback functions to uh, fetching, bubbling, and yeah. So it was Brian from Mod 4 who helped like explain all these topics, and it started to make more sense. And yeah, thank you, Brian, too. Also, and yeah, after that, I thought to myself again, like, I don't understand it yet, but I will, and that's okay, as long as I keep trying, and probably need to try harder. Hey, it's Rob, and it's Saturday night. JavaScript is starting to make a lot more sense, and I have a feeling tomorrow it's going to actually just make sense.